select this one, and oops, let me check here. Server contact. Oh, it's this. Sorry, so it's edit mail service instead. So I'm confused because I have not been setting up cPanel anymore for the last couple of months. So here, um, this is where you set up your contacts to receive and updates for your server. So let's do this. So probably let's just copy what I've set up in my own server to make it easier for us, because we're already spending a lot of time in this video. So let's go here, and so you want to use this one here. So here we want to set up our root notifications with your own email. In my case, I just want to organize it with how I do. So whenever I have a server name and the domain is this here, and the name of my host name is this, so this is how I use it. And for this domain, I just forward or catch all my emails into my Gmail account or my personal email, so so that I can receive all of them. And then I just set this up as root as well here, and this one here. So root will be this, so you don't have to add, or if you don't want to receive mail for nobody, then you can just leave it empty. Also for cPanel, but I would recommend this one. So this is how you can set it up.